Because of our body need the energy, so therefore the breath is crossed. If you are meditating, because of your mind is so calm, because of you sitting the one posture only, therefore your body doesn't need the energy. Because of that, the breath is subtle and subtle. Anapana meditation also. So initially only the breath is crossed, and when your mind is calmer and calmer, the breath will be subtle. At that time, so you should not stop your meditation, and you should continue to concentrate on the breath. Although if you cannot find your breath at the nose, so just wait only at the tip of the nostril. Later on, slowly and slowly, the breath will appear again. When the breath appear again, try to concentrate on the breath so you can develop your anapana meditations. That also in the Visuddhimagga, the meditator who have practiced the anapana meditation in ancient time also, they face this problem. Because of that, in the Visuddhimagga mentioned the instruction how to overcome this lost the breath. That also gave the simile of the plowman. So the plowman, when he lost his oxen, he didn't look for this oxen in the jungle. He directly went to the pond. This pond is daily the oxen come and drink the water. Because of that, the plowman, he directly went to the pond, and when the oxen came to drink the water, the plowman, he catched his oxen and he started his work again. In the same way, the meditator also, if we lost the breath, no need to look for anywhere, because throughout the whole life we are breathing the breath at the nose. Because of that, so if you lost the breath, so you should wait at the nose. Slowly and slowly you will find your breath, and then when you find your breath, you should continue your meditation. Another one also, you should reflect. There are 7 persons. These 7 persons are a fetus in the mother womb, a unconscious persons, and also a dead body, and also a man thrown in the water, and a person who practiced, who attained a meditator who attained the 4 jhana meditations, and also a meditator who attained the Nirodha Samapatti, the sensation of the attainment, and the Brahma. These 7 persons only, no more breath. I am not including in this person. Because of the lack of my mindfulness, I can't find my breath. So you should wait at the tip of the nostril mindfully, patiently. Later on, you will find your breath. When you find your breath, you should continue to your anapana meditations. If you can concentrate, if you can meditate on the subtle breath, so the mind sink in the subtle breath, and you can concentrate, you can meditate well in this position. And so sometimes if you see the light, or if you see the nimitta, because of you can concentrate well on the subtle breath, it will come close your nose, and it will be more bright and shining. Because of that, when you are breath lost, so should not look for anywhere, and just wait and try to manage your mind on the subtle breath, and to get the deep and strong concentration. Sometimes also, because of the breath is so subtle, because of you want to control your mind, if you concentrate excessive effort, some meditator, they complain, they feel the hardness or tightness at the face or at the nose. That also, if you feel the tight or tense or hardness at the face or at the nose, you should check yourself. If you had concentrate on the breath, excessive effort, try to relax your tension and your effort also. Another one also, as much as try to ignore this hardness and tightness and pay attention on the breath. Later on, when your mind and the breath harmonize, this hardness and tightness or so will disappear. Another one also, sometimes if you look on the breath with your eye, with your eye exerted effort also, because of you looking eye with the exerted effort, you feel the tight and tense at the forehead also. Because of that, if you can check, you feel that tight and tense at the forehead because of looking eye. So should not look on the breath with eye exerted effort. Just comfortably only try to aware on the breath. This tightness of the forehead also, it can disappear. Sometimes also, if meditator pay attention inside the nose, because of paying attention inside the nose also, the nose can become hot and tense. Because of that, as much as should not pay attention inside the nose and pay attention between the nostril and upper lip, wherever the breath is more obvious, more clear. So, and if you can pay attention, if you can practice like that way, you can overcome this hardness of the nose also. Like that way, some meditator, if they practice Anapana meditation, they feel this unbearable, unnecessary this feeling. Because of that, so if you face this type of problem, so as much as pay attention on the breath and should not focus on the breath excessive effort, comfortably, mindfully, if you can concentrate well, you can overcome this problem, hardness of the face or hardness of the nose. To develop the meditation in the Visuddhimagga, so mentioned, that is to avoid unsuitable, seven unsuitability. These are Awasa Gochara Pasan, Pokalo Bojana Udu, Iriya Pata Satete, Asapaya Vivichayi. That meaning is, so Asapaya, unsuitable dwelling place, unsuitable place wandering, Awasa Gochara Pasan, unsuitable talking, unsuitable persons, Pokalo, unsuitable food, unsuitable weather or climate, and unsuitable body posture. Should avoid these 7 things and should cultivate, should associate with this suitable 7 things, suitable place wandering, going, or suitable place, suitable conversation or talk, and suitable friend or persons, suitable food and suitable climate and suitable body posture. If you practice these 7 things, you can develop your concentration. Another one also, now I have told you these difficulties, the bodily pain, how to overcome, and also how to overcome the restlessness, and also the slow and torpor, and seeing the many images, disturbance on the sound, the losing the breath, and also sometimes if you face you are uncomfortable, unbearable feeling at the face. So if you avoid this thing and if you cultivate suitable thing, you can develop your Anapana meditation. Depend on your presently practice and depend on your past parami and present life, your 5 faculty maturance. So slowly and slowly you will find that you will see the good result. So not because of that, so because of I don't want to take your sleeping time. So today I would like to conclude my Dhamma.